Hey everybody, I just wanted to do this unboxing with y'all. I won this for System Some Soil and More birthday celebration. I have a hydroponics system. I am so excited. Thank you, Mona. I appreciate you for having that draw. Now I can join the rest of the fam that's growing hydroponically. So here we have the instructions. This is the brand. I have a quick guide, and it have planting notes, which is good. It's snugged in here real good, so oops, excuse me. About to knock some stuff down. I like that it's wrapped up pretty good. Just a card. Oh, everything taped down. I don't want to break nothing. They have the power vegetables. Y'all, I can't see real good. Water, flowers, fruit, herbs setting. I have a warning. I like the color too. The color is real nice. So, whoa, that's kind of tall, isn't it? It's like a gold or silver. You take this off. That's how I look. I think I saw one review where it says easier to clean. I have the fertilizers, A and B. I have these stickers. Now, mind you, y'all, this is my first time. This is the adapter. They have a lot of stickers. These are some sticks. I think I saw in a video, like to trellis your tomatoes and stuff. And they fit in these little prongs right here. Let's see, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have 12 holes or slots. So that's good too. I think they say you don't want to fill it up, the all 12 slots. I guess it's depending on what you grow. You can go to, they compatible with Arrow Garden. I probably need to see what this is. I'm sure most of everybody who do it already know what these are. So it said fertilizer, rods. These are the sponges you put the seeds in. These are the covers that you cover the holes that you're not using. And they have some tags to identify what you're growing. That's what I'm saying. All I gotta do is get the seeds. These little plastic things are the baskets. Yep, that's it. It said it got some tweezers in here. The adapter, I said that. Oh, pod labels, 12. And they have the grow domes. So everything you need for hydroponics. Y'all, we got a hydroponic system over here. We about to start growing something inside. Please keep watching me. This thing go high too. Let's bring it back down. Y'all. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Please keep watching me on my journey with hydroponics. Hit that like button, share, and